2022 Ford F-150 Ecoboost. This is what it sounds like before. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 84.5. Again. 2022 Ford F-150 XLT Ecoboost V6 Turbo. What we got done on it's only got 600 miles on it, guys. Factory converter there, then it winds into a single. We left the resonator so it doesn't drone inside. He didn't want it a lot louder, he just wanted about 50%. And then we went with a straight through design CARVEN R series right there. There'll be a link in the description. There's the part number right there. Then we wide it out from there, out the back, mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, there, and right there, into our signature massive 5-inch black tips, right there, and right there. That, just like that, it's done. There's the muffler, there's the old flex pipe that comes on it, and the factory tailpipe. And you can tell it's still practically brand new, right there. But it looks better like this. I think you guys agree too. So, like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2022 Ford F-150 with a CARVEN dual system, custom bed. Perfect. I like it. It's deep. You want it louder? You want it louder? I can make it louder. Another 30 minutes? You want to keep it for 30 minutes? Yeah, good. Your sound decibels? Right at 95. Again? CARVEN R system? All right, go ahead and back it up. He might change his mind and make it louder in a week. We'll see. Drive it down the road, see how you like it, you know? Nice F-150 XLT Sport Ecoboost. Can't beat the fuel mileage on these things, though. See the Chevy made a 4-cylinder turbo? No, they have a 4-cylinder Chevy Silverado. We've done a few. I like it. It's deep. It's not like raspy. It's clean, you know? You see that? Like I was telling you about the 5-inch, how it makes it deeper? Okay, that's good. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
This is what it looks on the inside. Real clean, really nice.
Ford F-150 XLT 2022, 600 miles, and we just did a CARVEN R system for him. Duals with 5-inch black tips. Look at how it's tucked away right there. You see that right there? That's just clean. Don't you guys agree? I like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this beautiful truck. Do you like the new front end on them? Or do you not? And what do you think about the new Lightning electric one? With the frunk. Perfect. No rasp whatsoever. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.